Body shop.
No, Danny.
Oh, man.
Look, that is not the way we want to answer the phone.
Okay, so what do we do? How do we get this done?
Well, I got to tell you, Danny, recently our team at Collision Advice, we mystery called a bunch of shops and recorded their phone calls. And the scary thing is, you're not far off from how a lot of people answer the phone. So let's see if we can share with everybody some tips on how to make that a more positive impression for the vehicle owner.
Excellent. Let's get right into it.
First of all, you have to remember when somebody has an accident and they call your shop, they're feeling negative emotions, right? They're probably afraid, like their car will never be the same, or they're afraid that they don't have the money for the deductible. They probably heard some horror stories. Number two is they're probably feeling some level of anxiety. They don't know how the whole process works. I mean, statistics have shown us that the average person has an accident every 10 to 12 years, so they don't know how the whole process works. So listen, when they call your shop, remember they're having negative emotions. And the first thing we need to do is set their mind at ease that they've called the right facility. So how can we do that? First of all, we don't want to answer how.
Body shop.
No, what we want to do is we want to answer it by identifying the name of our organization. Like, thank you for calling ABC Collision. This is Mike. How may I help you? The next thing we want to do is we want to show some empathy and ask them, was everybody okay? Was anybody injured? We want to show concern for them. We also want to make sure we ask for their phone number in case we get disconnected. We can call them right back. Now, here's another opportunity. Remember what we said, right? You want to make sure that you're making them feel less anxious, less stressed, less worried, less afraid. So, how can we do that? Well, if you have any OEM certifications, make sure you mention them. Let them know you're one of a limited number of only like 6 certified shops in your entire area or your state that's certified because you've met the training and equipment requirements. So, sell your certifications, right? Too often we see people that when they answer the phone, they go down the whole insurance trail like, have you made a claim yet? What's going on? Ladies and gentlemen, what we need to remember is number one, show some empathy. Has anybody been hurt? Number two, ask for the phone number in case you get disconnected. Number three is make sure that you're doing everything you can to make them feel less afraid, less anxious, less stressed. Last but not least, if you place somebody on hold, just know that most phone systems today will allow you to set up a reminder that if somebody's on hold for more than a specific amount of time, say like 30 seconds, the phone system will actually beep as a reminder to you that, hey, you put this person on hold. We hope you found these phone tips helpful.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.